Finally, after days of heated discussions, the Shiv Sena will be now joining the Maharashtra government. Getting 12 plum posts, the Sena leaders will be sworn in today in Fadnavis government's first cabinet expansion after taking over.
Preparations on for the first cabinet expansion of the Fadnavis government in Maharashtra, in less than a month of the government coming to power.
After a month and a half long period of uncertainty, ever since BJP was elected to power as the single largest party in the state of Maharashtra, a period that saw extreme positions being taken like that of the Shiv Sena occupying the opposition benches in the Maharashtra Assembly, or for that matter, the BJP cozying up to the NCP. Despite all of this, the two former allies who've been together for 25 long years have decided to come back together all over again.
आणि एकूणच महाराष्ट्रातल्या जनादेशाचा जनसमर्थनाचा जो काही अन्वयार्थ आहे त्या अन्वयार्थाच्या अनुसार आता आम्ही दोन्ही पक्ष एकत्रित आलेलो आहोत.
This patch up after a roller coaster ride that even included the Shiv Sena declaring its decision to sit in the opposition.
उद्या जर का भाजप आणि शरद पवार एकत्र येणार असतील तर आम्ही विरोधी पक्षात असणार होतो.
But after weeks of hectic meetings between the two parties, an agreement with the Sena getting 12 ministerial berths.
BJP got the mandate against Congress and NCP. Shiv Sena got the mandate against Congress and NCP. See, people wanted to keep away these two parties who were in power for the last 15 years in Maharashtra.
You went around seeking votes by talking against the BJP.
Whatever, but if you happen to see the way votes have been given, the votes have been polled, I mean, it is clear, and people of Maharashtra wanted a stable government.
The animosity, mudslinging and wrangling has finally ended, opening up the way for a new era in Maharashtra politics.
Today, the Shiv Sena MLAs will be taking oath alongside the BJP elected representatives in the first ever cabinet expansion of the Devendra Fadnavis-led government. And with that, for the second time in the history of Maharashtra, the BJP Shiv Sena government will rule the state. In Mumbai with Praveen Bhogle, Megha Prasad for Times Now.